Hi there. The intent of this video is to walk you through the steps required to join a virtual Hangout event through Google Plus that you've been invited to. Our next virtual event will take place on December 10th at 2 p.m. So, first things first, just simply go to google.com and make sure that you're signed into your Google Apps for Education account. Once you've done that, you should see a link to your Google Plus profile page. I'm going to go ahead and click on my link here, and my Google Plus homepage will open up. Now, if you've recently been invited to the Google Plus event, you should see it directly in your stream here. If you don't worry. All you have to do is go up to the home menu in the upper left-hand corner of the page and grab the events page. On the events page, you'll see find your events and find more events. You'll see the event information card with clickable links. To initiate the Hangout, you simply click on the Hangouts link. What will happen is the Hangout window will open, and if this is the first time you've participated in a Hangout, it may ask you to enable your webcam. That's okay, just go ahead and do so. To join the Hangout, you simply click on the green Join button. I'm going to go ahead and do so because I want to point out two features that maybe will enhance your Hangout experience that we maybe didn't utilize in the first virtual event that we participated in. The first is the chat button in the upper left-hand corner of the Hangout window. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the chat button, and what happens is it expands a little window here that will allow you to type questions and collaborate with your peers if there seems to be a lot of conversation going on. To close that window, you simply click again on the chat button. So by clicking on the chat button, it will either expand or collapse the chat window. Directly below that is the screen share button. Now, if you have a great website or resource that you'd like to share with your peers, you can share your screen and walk them through how you actually use that resource in your classroom. So please feel free to take advantage of those two resources within the Hangout window. Once you're done with the Hangout, you simply click on the Leave Call button in the upper portion of the screen. And I'm going to go ahead and do so because I want to point out a few other things for you that are available. So I'm going to open up the actual Hangout event and just show you two resources that will be available to you in the events page. The first is a roster of the teachers that you're participating with, and the second is a Hangout Guidance Google Docs. So these are both simply Google Docs that will open up in a second page. These are printable documents, but you should have them available to you electronically within the events page. There's two other things I want to point out. When you're initially invited, a notification will show up right here in the notification bell, and you'll also receive an email. Now, when you receive the email, you can actually respond whether or not you're going to participate. So you'll see an event email that says Janet O'Hara has invited you to the following event. When you click on the email, you can respond by saying you're either going to attend or you're not. So here's another tip for you. If you do say that yes, you're going to attend, it actually creates an event for you automatically on your calendar so you have a reminder. 24 hours prior to the event, you will get notification as well that the event is going to take place. If you have any questions or concerns regarding the Hangouts, or you have not gotten a Hangout invitation, please feel free to email me or call me at any time. Thank you.